Hello everyone, welcome back to Tejas Aguda channel, and I'm going to teach you how to solve a 2 by 2 gear cube. Okay, so 2 by 2 gear cube is nothing but it's a cube which the pieces are assembled in a gear. So over here you can see how it is assembled in a gear. Okay, so in one more special thing in this cube is that you can break it like this, and um, and you can um, twist one layer like this so that the other layer does not move, but this layer can move. Okay, and you can fix it back also. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve it. So without any further ado, first I will show you how I solve it. So first, the very important thing is to shuffle the cube. So this is the shuffled 2 by 2 gear cube. Okay, so I'll solve it. 3, 2, 1, start. And this cube is not a speed solving cube, it is only a cube for showpiece and time pass, but this is how we solve the cube. Okay, so I'm going to teach you now how to solve the cube. So first I'll shuffle it, and by the way, I did not learn this cube from anyone, I learned it by myself. Okay, so this is how we make it. This is how we make it shuffle. So now first, there are four steps in this total. To solve this cube there are 4 types of step. Okay, so the first layer, and then then this layer, and then this faces get solved, and then the last two corner pieces. You must have not understanding anything, no? Okay, I'll now teach. Okay, so choose any side, okay, where all the corners, okay, all the corners have at least one same color. Like this corner has yellow, this corner has yellow, and this corner has yellow, and this corner has yellow. So we will now first solve the top layer. Okay, so we can't twist it like this, or else the whole cube will get shuffled. So where the cube you have kept it face, okay, you then open it one face like this, then you turn this layer until the yellow gets matched. Okay, so turn it until the yellow gets matched. With this, the yellow has got matched. Then push it inside. Then you do the same thing with the other layer. Open, then twist it until it comes. Oh, this got fast. So with this, the top layer is done. Okay, as you can see. Now we are going to solve these three faces. Okay, so these three faces now have you have to not search now. Already one layer has already been done, you can see. So now you only have to do the bottom one. Then what you do, this is the yellow, opposite to that there's a layer which is shuffled, right? You pull the bottom layer. Okay, you pull the bottom layer, and then you choose any side. Like I'm going to choose green, and then uh, uh, turn the bottom layer until it gets matched with green. Like these two pieces has to come front, so until they get matched. So we will turn it until the green comes. So the green has got matched, then you put it down. So with this the whole cube is got solved. But there are some cases where you get these all faces, where these all faces, or not all, one face where two sides are not at all matched, they are shuffled but all other sides are done. Okay, so I will tell you right now. So I will just shuffle the whole cube, then I'll shuffle the whole cube, and then you will see this video in the next part. This is part 1. The part 2 I will tell you afterwards. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed a very hope this video made a lot of sense. Okay, so now see the part 2 and then I will tell you the exceptional cases. Thanks.